Hayes here, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. Guys, I got a big-ass rocket stove on an off-road package. Why do we have that? Because this is what the people want, okay? And at TMG, the people get what the people want. So this is going to my man Nick over in the UK. So all y'all UK folks, okay, she's going to be up for grabs unless Nick decides to keep it for his house, which, hey, he may. I don't know. It's pretty badass. But he called us up and said, guys, I want a big-ass rocket stove, top of the line. So this is what we got for him. Now, this is all 8-inch square tube, 1/4 inch thick. So this sucker is heavy duty. And she's got folding shelves on both sides. See, they fold down, actually locks up right there. Lock it back in place. So folding shelf on both sides. 14-inch upgraded wheels and tires from our friend Mods down in Texas. We appreciate y'all. Come around here to the business end of this deal. So down here you do have you got an ash pan and a charcoal pan in there. And then have a daisy wheel right there to control that. This is where you'll throw your wood in right here. He's got a removable griddle top up here right now with a little grease drain on the side here. So we'll pop that sucker off. And it is heavy. You know, I'll make it look easy, but it weighs about 45 pounds. Set that down. Also have a grill grate here. Sets on there. Just like so. So you can grill on there or you can griddle, whichever one you prefer. Check out this cool fabricated arm we got up here for the off-road package. Pretty slick design. Super easy to move around in here. Guys, that is that rocket stove. Just came out knockout. Really like these. Super cool. If you're cooking on this, you know, hanging out in the backyard, you're going to be entertaining people with this deal. Everyone's going to come up and ask you about it. So that is our Rocket Stove XL edition, guys. I'm going to get back in there and get to work. If you want a big-ass rocket stove like this, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.